Ever wondered how cryptocurrencies, these virtual currencies, are reshaping the world of investments? There's a global buzz about them, signaling a seismic shift in investment trends. Cryptocurrencies are not just an abstract concept anymore. They're revolutionizing the financial sphere, breaking boundaries, and redefining what we know about wealth and value. But to truly grasp the magnitude of this revolution, we need to dig deeper. To understand this, we need to first understand what exactly cryptocurrencies are. Cryptocurrencies, in their simplest form, are digital or virtual currencies. Picture a world where your money isn't tied to paper bills or metal coins, but instead, it exists purely in the digital realm. Now, this isn't just some futuristic fantasy, it's the reality of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies employ a technology known as cryptography. This is a method of protecting information and communications through the use of codes, so that only those for whom the information is intended can read and process it. In the context of cryptocurrencies, this means your transactions are secure and your assets are safe. What sets cryptocurrencies apart from traditional currencies is their decentralized nature. Unlike the dollar or the euro, which are controlled by central banks, cryptocurrencies are not governed by any central authority. This means they're immune to government interference or manipulation. Now, let's talk about how transactions work in this sphere. Every transaction made with a cryptocurrency is verified by a network of computers, or nodes. These nodes use cryptography to confirm the validity of the transactions. Once a transaction is confirmed, it's recorded in a public distributed ledger known as a blockchain. This ledger is transparent and can't be tampered with, ensuring the integrity of the transaction history. Now that we understand what cryptocurrencies are, let's delve into how they work. This journey is just beginning, so hold on to your hats as we dive deeper into this fascinating world of digital money. The functioning of cryptocurrencies revolves around the technology called blockchain. Now, picture blockchain as a digital ledger that's public and decentralized. Every transaction made with a cryptocurrency is recorded on this ledger, creating a chain of blocks, hence blockchain. Let's dive a little deeper. When a transaction is initiated, it's put into a pool with others. Here's where the concept of mining comes in. Miners, using powerful computers, solve complex mathematical problems to validate these transactions. Once a problem is solved, the transactions are grouped into a block and added to the existing blockchain. But how are new coins generated? Well, as a reward for their efforts, miners are given new coins. This process is known as mining. Blockchain's ingenious design ensures that every transaction is transparent, secure, and irreversible. Cryptocurrencies, with their complex yet fascinating mechanism, are truly revolutionizing the way we look at money and investments. Cryptocurrencies are not just a trend, they are a financial revolution. Remember, comprehension is key to navigate this ever-evolving crypto realm. Grasping its mechanism is crucial before investing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more informative videos on finance and investments. And lastly, thank you so much for watching this video.